Back in the shop with the RDX. And like I said, I was gonna do something, and that's what we did. Boom. Yeah, man. So we installed the RPF ones. Well, I installed the RPF ones, and yeah, man, wanted to have these things on it because legit I am so sick and tired of black wheels. And not to mention that these are my dream wheels, so I decided to go ahead and do it. So yeah, man, I love that side profile. Tires got a little bit of stretch to them because these are 18 by 9.5, and I got 235 50s on the wheel as tires, so it's got a nice little stretch to it. Not really big on the hot boy stuff, but this is a tasteful stretch. So I don't really like super stretchy tires, man. But yeah, so got the wheels on the RDX. It's looking mighty fine. As far as transmission, I just ordered my SH-AWD. Now the only code that I have on this thing right now is it's only one code on there now. So the only code that's on there right now is the P0766, which is the SH-AWD. So I went ahead and ordered that last night, so that'll be here this week, so I'll have more updates. I'm still on the lookout for transmission. The junkyard, for whatever reason, out here, like down the street from my house, will not sell me the transmission. It's a 2010. It's from a 2010 all-wheel drive, and I have verified that does work. It's just the sensors on it are different, but I could definitely take the sensors off of my 09 and put it on the 2010. So, but they won't sell it to me. So, sounds like they have a homie or somebody that needs a transmission for the same car. So they just trying to keep holding it. I don't know. But there is another place out here that is closer to the shop. Look at who's that? That Biggie Duff. It's closer to the shop that I can get a transmission from. So I'm gonna verify that they still have it, and I'm just gonna grab it from them. And I asked them, I was like, "Hey man, will you still sell it to me, even if it's a later model, later than mine?" He was like, "I don't care. I'll sell it to you. You want it? You can come by it." So in the next couple weeks or so, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and pick that up. But yeah, man, just wanted to give you guys a quick little update. So just give you another 4-minute video. Just giving you another update. But I just wanted to show y'all the RDX is now sitting on the RPF1. Peace.